Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. A handsome new stranger arrives at the hotel, capturing the attention of everyone, especially Mamiki. But it's Mathers who goes to introduce herself and soon find out that he is keeping his true intention hidden on Tuesday. Thandiswa briefly leaves Mpendulo alone in Caesar's study and he commits theft that may have deadly consequences. Sakile and Petunia receive an envelope with the results that may alter their lives forever on Wednesday. And Thandiswa declares that Caesar's funeral will happen in Eminyameni and leaves no room for argument. Sakile is relieved to discover that the boy is not his, or the baby is not his on Thursday. Martha is missing Jason. Pendulo tried to track him down and get a lead from Mamiki. Leroy tells Thandiswa to leave the investigation about an unearthing of Mtheto's body to the police on Friday. Thandiswa is shocked when Jason arrives unannounced to see her. She threatens him with the police when he confronts her about killing Caesar. Well guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.